On today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this super delicious, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside oven roasted. It can be intimidating to cook a whole chicken, but it's super easy and super simple and takes no time at all. You're going to start by washing your chicken and then drying it really good. Especially if you want it to crisp up, you have to pat it dry really good. I'm gonna start by doing our seasonings. Our seasonings I'm gonna put into here. It's gonna be a mixture of any oil of your choice. I'm gonna be using olive oil for this one. I like salt, Italian style seasonings, onion powder, paprika, and garlic. You're gonna mix that in very well. Once you get to a consistency that you like for your herb mixture, then we can go ahead and start applying this all over the top. And very important that we get into the skin. So I'm just gonna use my hands for this. I like to focus it inside the skin as well. The skin is one of my favorite parts. So when you get a piece that is very seasoned, it tastes really good. And if you need more, then we make more seasoning. We can make more as we go. I think I'll make a little bit more. Very well into the skin, putting some in the skin, on the inside of the little thighs. And then once your outside is very coated, then we're gonna go ahead and flip the bird and do the inside as well. The main thing is having really good seasoning on your chicken. Your chicken comes out really seasoned really good to taste. Everybody's gonna love it. Now, another thing I like to do for a little bit more juiciness inside of the skin, I like to cut a little bit of pieces of butter. Very crispy. But the inside, you still want it to be juicy. So a hack I've learned is put a little bit of butter, to your choice, inside the skin. I'm just gonna peel this back and just stuff a little bit of the butter in there to where the skin you can get underneath. You see? It's just a little bit. Okay, so once our bird is done, then we can move on to our vegetables, your potatoes, carrots, whatever you want to put underneath to bake with your chicken. We're going to move our chicken to the side. Slicing our potatoes. Putting them in a bowl. Just like that. Okay, once we have all our potatoes chopped, I like mine to be a little bit seasoned, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, salt, and a little bit of this Italian herbs. You give that a nice little toss. Okay. In a dish pan that can go in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and set my potatoes in. And then we're gonna chop up some onion. I like it just like this. As much or as little onion as you want. Mine looks like this. Okay. Then we're gonna place our whole bird directly on top, just like that. This is gonna go into the oven at 375 for about an hour, hour and a half, till we get it as crisp on the top. That's it. Now I'm gonna clean. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half, and I had put a thermometer in the chicken. You want it to be over 165, it's about 170, so let's go ahead and take it out. Look at that. And it's sizzling so good. Okay, I made mine with rice and lentils. Now I'm gonna cut the chicken. Oh yeah, it's very nice and crispy. Let me just get this little wing out. Drumstick. Definitely the outside is crispy and the inside is nice. And the inside is nice and juicy and the outside is crispy. Just how I imagined it. It's so soft and juicy that you just peel it with a fork and your chicken just comes right off. Mmm, so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. It was super good, super delicious. I hope it comes out really good for you and your family and they enjoy it. If you'd like to see more videos like this or cleaning videos, organizing videos, subscribe and like my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.